Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I thought I'll do a video on this. Last week we saw reasonable big pullbacks on some of the stocks in electric car theme stocks like lithium, those things. So I thought we'll have a quick look to see if it is a good buy opportunity now with these stocks, because I have seen few. Like today, what I will go through is these three which I was looking for some time associated with this electric car theme. These three stocks. Let's have a look if it is coming to a buy zone, because I have a feeling these have a good potential. Another 2, 3, maybe 5 years time, these will be running very hard, so let's see if it is now right time to buy for a long term, as a long term investment. So today here, Linus, I just looking at the monthly chart first just to see sort of a big picture. So Linus had like ups and downs, and here there was a up, down, and there's a massive run here, then drop all the way down, but now again picking up, so building up for the long term big run, I believe, because of this recent electric car theme. It's very popular in the world. So if you look, why I put this one is I try to do my best to my recording button is stuck here, so I can't make it. Okay, I think first. So here, what I wanted to show you is the big picture. See, this is like the bottom. See, it has supported around here many times. You can see. I'll do some. Sorry, guys. Today I had to do my video on my laptop screen. So if we get here, so see that's a area of support. Then I can see there's another price cluster just before this take the what do you call this push up happen around here. Let's say sort of a range. I'll put a one sort of roughly bottom, then I'll put another one sort of here. So what I wanted to show, and then we have some resistance here. So the main thing I wanted to show you guys is, maybe I'll delete this one, it's not relevant for this, what I am trying to say. See this price cluster here happened 2009 September to 2010 January, that period, then had a massive run. So we are in sort of same area here. Normally this is, you can consider as a supply area. Just had a big push up. After that, I don't know the reason why, but had a big push up. So this is the area we are now. Am I expecting the same thing happen? Maybe not, but I can say it is a good interesting area. That's why I try to show you in this video. Hopefully you guys saw it properly. That's why I put the monthly chart. Then we'll have a look at here in the daily just to see what happened recently. Remove these lines, otherwise it's too many lines. Hope you saw what I wanted to show. Then let's look at the dailies. I'll make it weekly. We can see it clearly. See in the weekly, you can see, so it came up, had a good nice run from from here 2020 March. Okay, this is the COVID drop, had a good run and met the resistance here more or less for the first time for this stock, then went down, came back and pushed hard on that resistance, went up. Then there was this big what you call sell off happened, not last week before. I think all the stocks had a sell off last week or week before. So let's have a look. Is it now good time to buy? So as you know, this is our resistance. Normally when stocks go up, normally they get supported from this previous resistance. It become a support. So let's have a look if it is the case here. I'll change to daily now. So you can see here, see it try to go up here once, sort of fakely went up, came down, tried again, then sort of tried to go up, didn't go up. Then finally it broke through on this high volume here, but couldn't continue up. Now it is hanging around this previously that resistance area or resistance box as I call them, and now we have to see if this become support for this stock. I personally think it is a good area to buy at this stage, but if you wish or if you want, you can put a stop loss like a bit tighter somewhere here, in case, because if it fall down, it may fall down a bit hard. Let's say if it takes out this low, it can come and retest these areas again and go up. So if you want, you can if you believe in this Linus stock LYC, if you believe in this electric car theme, if this stock will do good in the future, I feel it is a good area to buy now because it is in that previous resistance. Hopefully it will act as a support now, with a tight stop loss, because you can put a tight stop loss around here, around let's say to be round figure $6, around $6. Then it has that room to fluctuate as well, and if it falls down, it will protect your, I can't say protect the loss, but it will minimize your loss. So that's how I like to play Linus. I believe in these three stocks I am going to do today. So yeah, I personally think it has come to this support box. Hopefully it will act as a support now, support box, and it will bounce from here. But this is, as I tell always, is a probability thing we are doing. That's why we have a stop loss to protect or minimize our losses. That's why the stop loss will act as a minimize of the loss in case our probability doesn't go the way we think. So it looks good for me. Next stock we are going to look at today is the MIN Mineral Resources. Again, one of the stocks I personally like, and to be on the records, I purchased in this dip, I purchased Mineral Resources and Talga. I bought both of them. Let's see how they play out. But I bought it bit like thinking long term, at least few years, unless it start going down. If it's sort of hang around and go up, I will keep it for a bit more long term. Okay, let's have a look at the Mineral Resources. I think if you remember, you can see these notes I did before. I did few videos on these stocks before because I love these stocks. let's have a look first the weekly chart. Like the Linus, it had a good run here. Other thing, if you have seen the previous videos I did for this stock, that's where these marks are. Maybe I'll delete them, otherwise it's a bit hard to see what I am going to tell. So in that video I told, if you like, go back, I think last week or week before, go back and watch that video. I told this stock has the tendency to come and retest these resistance areas as a support. So I told that time also, like, see here, didn't came all the way back but had a pullback, then went up. Hopefully you guys can see the screen. Then went up, came and retested again, then went up, and now coming back to retest this resistance again. No, always it acted as a support. I told clearly in that video, there's a tendency. I was doing that sort of around this here, I think, when it is going up. I told, if you want, you can buy now, or if you, or what you call, if you are willing to wait, it may come down and retest this resistance. So as I said, it has come down to retest this resistance, and you can see last week is a green bar, so it's buy action. Some buy actions happen. So since it has this tendency to come and retest the resistance, I bought this stock last week when sort of last Wednesday, Thursday, I think Thursday, because I was waiting for stock to do few, like, well, to see what it is doing. Then I finally bought it Thursday. So yeah, see here, went up, then came and retested this resistance, same as other times. See here also, went up, came down, didn't came down exactly, but came down to retest, went up again. Around here also didn't came down that low, but this stock has that tendency like to come and retest the previous resistance. So that's what it has done now, which I believe it can go down. I'm not saying it can go down from the resistance, but I personally think now it is testing this resistance again. So if it falls from this resistance, it can come and retest around this area, like, or this area from here to here. So again, I bought this, so my plan is for this stock, I have a very tight stop loss around here, 48, around $48, around 48, somewhere here, around 48, because if it falls down from this box, I expect it may come down a bit hard, then I can buy again, because I believe in these electric car sort of theme stocks for another at least five years. They will do good, but it doesn't mean you hold forever if it start going down. So that's why I bought it. My plan is I have a stop loss around $48. If it falls down 48, yeah, then stop loss trigger, and it will be what you call it. So stock will get sold, then I can buy them again. So that way, if it start going down, I minimize my loss, and if it starts going up, I'm good with it. Then go and ride the wave with a trailing stop loss. That's the plan. At this stage, you can see the volume has slightly increased as well. Not Fridays, very less volume. So yeah, that's the reason I bought. So this stock has the tendency to come and retest these resistance, then go up. So what I expect is, so now here it may come down again, retest around here, then start going up. That's the expectation. And if it doesn't do what I think, if it start going down like this, sorry, come on, sorry, I'll delete it. So come on, sorry. If it starts doing this, uh, I have that stop loss to cover my losses. So that's the plan for the min. So the other stock I wanted to show you in this electric uh, car theme is the Talga. Let's see if it is now if it is a good time to buy. Let's have a look weekly. If you follow my channel, I did a video on this few weeks back, maybe 2 weeks back. I think from memory I did the video when it is closed above this this resistance line, support line. I was expecting it to keep going up, but this didn't do what it is expected. It did the opposite, had a big pullback. Now let's see what are our options. I'll go back to the daily. So let's have a look. So as you can see, there are a few lines I marked up. This is the resistance. Previously it acted as a support, but now it has become a resistance line, which tried to go up here but failed, had a fake out, then came down. And this line is a support area for this stock for a while, and this box is the other, what do you call, support area for this stock. So resistance, support, support box. Then what is this, like the dotted line, dashed line? So that's I bought this stock last Friday, so I bought around here. So that's my stop loss. If you're wondering what's that dotted line is, so I have put a stop loss around 14%, $1.10. That's my, so you can see $1.10 is my stop loss. So since I'm believing in this stock for long term, how I like to play is I truly expect this support level to hold. That's the I am my, what do you call, about 70%, 80%. I believe this level will stock, do a bit more consolidation around this area, then go up. That is my what do you call, that's first expectation when I bought this stock. Sorry, this stock. So my expectation is it will hold here, consolidate around these boxes a bit more, then head higher. Let's say if it doesn't work, like here it didn't work, if stock decided to go down, then this is my second area which I expect this stock to be supported in this box somewhere. And so the third option is, let's say if it doesn't happen as well, this is my stop loss. After, if it triggers my stop loss, I don't want to hold it anymore, like for the short term, because it can go down further and retest around this area. Sorry, about 75 cents, that mark. So that's the plan for Talga at this stage. So I expect this support to hold. I'm very confident, like let's say 80% I expect this support to be this stock to be supported here. If it falls that one, then I expect this box should act as a support. If that also doesn't happen, things can happen, like if you know A2 milk, AGL going on a big downtrend. People thought in various places when it is going down it will be supported, it didn't. So things can happen. So we are here to look at the supports, resistance, trend lines, and like think probability wise, okay, where it can be supported, then try to make money. That's what we are here to do. So if it doesn't support it from this box as well, this is my stop loss trigger. I don't want to hold it after that because it can go and retest around this area, 75 cents, that area. But let's say if it goes down, worst case scenario, and retest here, then I can my stop loss will be triggered here. Then I'm not losing money anymore. Then if it comes here, sort of consolidate around here a little bit, I can buy again because I believe in this stock. That's the plan. But expectation is supported from here, then go up. Let's see what happens. That's the three stocks I like. Two stocks I already purchased last week. Other one also I really like. Let's see what happens. That's the, yeah. So I wanted to show you guys related to this electric car theme. They seems really good buy opportunities at this stage, but as I tell always in my channel, always use the stop loss to cover your losses in case if the stock doesn't do what we expect. Okay, thanks. And if you like my videos, if you like my channel, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. It helped my channel a lot. uh, yeah, I'll see you in another video.